Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and clear access. Park level, set the emergency brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Put on gloves to avoid oil on the bulb. If the battery or intake obstructs the headlamp, remove the battery tray or loosen the inner fender liner. Those parts often block the driver's side housing. Once you see the rear of the headlamp assembly, you're ready to proceed. Keep tools organized and confirm the replacement H11 bulb matches the old unit. Now focus on the socket details. Twist or unclip the rubber or plastic rear cap to expose the bulb. You'll see the electrical connector. Press its release tab and pull it straight off without bending pins. Next, identify the retaining spring or locking ring, lift or rotate it to free the bulb. Pull the bulb straight out to avoid damaging the socket. Inspect the housing for corrosion or melted plastic. Clean the area if needed. Match the filament and base to the new bulb so installation is correct. Handle the new H11 bulb by the plastic base only, never touch the glass. Seat it fully into the socket, re-engage the retaining spring or ring, and replace the dust cap or boot to keep moisture out. Reconnect the electrical plug, reinstall any removed battery tray or liner, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Turn on the headlights to test low and high beams and check aim on a wall at 25 feet. If the bulb flickers or won't light, make sure the connector is seated and the ground is clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.